Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie Stacey, and if this is your first time stopping by, please make sure you give me a subscribe and turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be unboxing this very large box. So what's inside here is a hooded dryer. So it's kind of like a professional dryer. So yeah, the reason I got this is because my hair takes a very long time to get dry. So when I do a wash and go, the results are not as perfect as they were supposed to be. If you know what I mean, like if you have like low porosity hair like me and your hair takes longer to dry, you know what I mean. Because by the time it's dry, it's all mushy and the curls are not as defined as they were supposed to be. So this dryer is to help me dry my hair quicker and also to make sure that I get the results that I want. So I hope this is going to do that. So now let's just go ahead without wasting any much time and see what's in this box. Straight away, I'm going to open up the box and then take all the parts of the dryer out one by one, and we're gonna see that. So this dryer comes with a little like instruction manual or something like that, but it's not very clear. But yeah, you're gonna figure it out. But I personally think they needed to do more with the instructions on how to mount this dryer. This part right here is the supporting column. Yeah, as you're going to see when we'll be mounting that, this helps to give support to the head of the dryer. And next up are the feet of the dryer. So yeah, these are the feet of the dryer, which we're also going to mount shortly. So there are about there are 5 of them. So yeah, I've got 5 of these, and it's plastic. Next, I'm gonna take out the head of the dryer. So this is the head of the dryer, which we are going to be looking at detailedly in a while. And then this is the adjustable tube, which we're all going to understand more as we mount the whole dryer. So they're just like 1, 2, 3, 4 main parts to this dryer. But yeah, so let's go ahead and begin mounting, and we're going to begin doing that with the feet. So I'm just gonna set the feet aside, and then we're going to figure this thing out because I've never bought this dryer before, so I'm also just learning how to put it together. So I'm just gonna put that. I believe you can see what I'm doing, so it's like self-explanatory. But right now I'm just doing this. Then later on I realized that I was supposed to turn it upside down before fitting in the legs or the feet. So yeah, which I later did. So now this is how you're supposed to turn it upside down before fitting in the legs. And you want to use this to hold them together. So when you get this dryer, that's how you're gonna mount it. The next part to mount is the supporting column. So this supporting column has a little screw, which is really hard to take out with the hand. So I had to use a screwdriver or something like that. So yeah, you have to unscrew that because you're gonna put the screw at the bottom. So just went ahead and turn everything upside down again before going ahead to screw that in. So this really helps to hold the legs sturdy. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and do that before we move on to the next part. So yeah, you want to use the screwdriver as well to do that. So next up, I'm going to fit in the adjustable tube. So yeah, next is the adjustable tube, and now we have the head of the dryer. So between the adjustable tube and the supporting column, we have like the height adjusting knob. So yeah, you can adjust the height of the dryer from that point, even though anyway you'll see that later. So this is the head of the dryer, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. And yeah, we have the power button, temperature control, the heater, we have an enclosure, we have the timer switch, and this enclosure door. So yeah, you can adjust the temperature. You can set the timer. So if you want to sit under for 10 minutes, you can set that, or 1 hour, you can set it to that, and when it goes off, yeah, you're gonna hear that. So yeah, now let me just go ahead and take out these little tapes that are holding the enclosure door together, so that I can show you guys how it works. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on both sides just to make sure that I can flip this door, the enclosure door, open, and you can see how it really looks. And yeah, and also show you guys up close of what I've been talking about, of all the other parts on this head dryer. So that's the enclosure door. You can flip it open and close to get in and get out of the dryer. So yeah, next I'm gonna show you guys all the buttons on this dryer at the top anyway. But first I want to try to connect this, like put it on power so I can turn it on, and we're going to hear how that sounds. And yeah, so that's the temperature control as well as a timer. So if you want to time it, you use that. So yeah, that's how it sounds. It has a little noise, but it's not that bad. And this is me trying it out. So guys, a full and detailed review of these will be coming up soon. Right now I can't really give you guys a review because I just got this and I haven't tried it for long. So yeah, when I try it, I'm gonna come back and give you guys detailed review. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The link to this dryer will be in the description box.